You can earn $790 to your PayPal from one PDF file. Yes, that is true. This is the true make money online methods that I have to show in this video that can make you more than $700 every PDF files you make, and it's like very easy. It's doable to anyone. You do not need any special skills, you do not need any technical knowledge. You just simply follow this video and I'm going to show you the way we're going to make money online. So we are going to go to Google's. Yes, we are just head on over to Google and we simply search for like how to grow an Instagram account. You can see that I have searched for like how to grow an Instagram account and I get some topics out there. You simply, for example, I just take some tips from Google and from various sites articles, and I just head over to Google Docs. So docs.google.com, I have written a 10 tips, like 10 ways to increase your Instagram followers. So I just this curated content, I just you rewrite it in your own words. For this video purpose, for I just made this, so I just copied it from Google search and make this docs like this, and it's make it lucrative and make it beautiful so that people got attracted. So how we're going to make money using this these documents? So we, as you can see, I have a bottom here. It's the link, affiliate link options. I keep it here. So my number one recommended to grow faster, and this is your affiliate link. So I give free tips who wants to increase their followers on Instagram, and I also want to promote a product that increase that do the same work. So we need a product. So how we're going to get that product, and that's going to earn money for us. So we go over to digistore24.com. Yes, this is a really good worldwide affiliate network. This is a really good sites to work with. They have lots of products out there. So if you just go over to digistore24.com and search for like Instagram there, and you can see that they have a good quality PDF guides and strategies that people will definitely love. And you can see that these are like $7, $13, $3 and $16 various type of books, and also they have a high ticket, high priced items as well. So we are just as we are just showing people the tips, and they want some easy simple strategies. So we are going to promote this type of PDFs, this type of strategies that people will definitely love. So if it's for instance, if I just click on this product, and if you just simply click on promote now, and it will ask for your sign up, and just simply sign up there and create an account, and you will right away get your affiliate link to this product. So when you get an affiliate link, you will going to get $7 per sale. So if you just click on copy that URL and paste it in your Google Docs, and here in the affiliate link sections, and here it is. When you paste the link here, it's done, and this PDF is really good. So it's not PDF, it's doc right now. So simply click on file, and in the download sections, in the download menu, you click on PDF. So you get a PDF version of it. So you download that PDF to your computer, and but before that, I recommend you to simply cloak this affiliate link. You just do not just post the affiliate link right away here. You simply go over to Bitly. It's a link shortener. So simply paste your long link here and make it shorter, and then paste it here in the Bitly link, so that it's easy to copy, easy to browse, easy to see. So simply that is it. You get the PDF by just downloading as PDF, and then we are going to get traffic. So how we are going to get traffic? quality traffic that you can get from the number one site I recommend always, it's Quora.com. Yes, Quora is a really good site to work with. If you want quality traffic, Quora is the number one options for you. So simply go over to Quora and you search for like how to grow Instagram. Yes, how to grow Instagram, and you can see that lots of Instagram growing related articles, growing questions. You will see people are asking and people are replying with them, and simply you answer those questions and answer them in a valuable way, in a good way, that you give a solution to them. You can simply just copy some part of that and paste it there, and also you can write something from some Google search and rewrite it in your own words and answer them with that. And then at the bottom you simply recommend them that I have a really good PDF that explains how fast you can easily and effectively grow your Instagram accounts and Instagram followers. So check out this link and you just paste your Google Docs links there, and Quora don't mind that. So simply this way the opportunity is limitless. There are thousands of questions out there. You can just target, you can just answer it daily, and just believe me, within months those posts are going to stay forever on Quora, and it will get updated. It will come up on search engine on Google, and people will find your answer and will click on it for sure. This is a proven way to get targeted traffic, and more people are going to go through your links. More people are going to interested to go through your affiliate link and buy this product, and more money you can make from this. So this is it, guys. This is the way. Opportunity is limitless. $719 is very easy to get. It's like simple clockwork, no skills needed. Simply follow these methods. You do not need any money to invest. Simply work regularly, and within months you can achieve more than thousands of dollars per month earnings easily using by following this method. So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos and stay with my channels. And you can also like my other videos out there. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.